Now this is a booth we've been to before. It's from a company called American Clay, and it seemed like every time we drop by, the owner of the company, Croft, always getting his hands dirty. How's it going, Croft?
It's going great, Danny.
Now tell us a little bit more about American Clay. You guys been around a little while.
We have. We've been open since 2002, and we've been manufacturing interior clay plaster for interior wall surfaces. We offer 3 different finishes for people so that you can get a variety of looks for your house. And the beautiful thing is it's natural, contains no harmful chemicals, and it adds to the health of the environment.
Well, I tell you, you guys must be doing very well. Over this last year, I've seen you on showcase homes all over the country, magazine articles, really proud for you and everything. But tell me about this energy savings thing that you found out about.
Well, it was really great because I was skeptical at first. We had people coming back to us and saying, you know, I've seen a drop in my energy bills when I put the clay on the walls. I said, that can't be the case. But what we've done is we started an energy program where we've built some units. We're doing comparisons between traditional materials and with our material in it, and we're really going to quantify exactly what people could expect when they use the clay in their houses.
Well, that's perfect then. Save a little money and nice and green approach to it and everything. Hey, it looks pretty easy. Let me give that a try there.
No problem.